Well, we know what is this. This one can unlock the key of my house. But what about a scientific or a taxonomic key? These are nothing but a set of or a couplet of characters. Now these characters can guide us through and help us in identifying and naming an organism. Why not do it? So let me go and pick up some of the leaves from my garden trees. Here's some of them. I have one. This seemed to be a compounded leaf. This is a flat one, another simple leaf. That's another one, green simple leaf. Well, I found this one an interesting one. Now, suppose we want to find out what is the name of this particular specimen onto your screen. Well, this interests me. Why not we find them out? So, what we do, we go pick up a book containing set of characters. That is what we call keys. Now you could also find them, but where? In a museum, maybe in a library, and then you can easily identify the specimen right in front of you. Let me do it for you. This seemingly is going to be a tough task, but no, I must say that no, easy. Let's do it. Here we are. We have the first set of characters that you are able to see in form of 1A and 1B. Where does it take us? It says leaves are broad and flat. You saw the leaves were flat and they were broad. They were flat, alright. But we didn't want these, so we take them off. The second character says leaves were needle-like. So obviously that is the one that we have. So we go to the point right in front of it written there, 22nd. So we go down and scan down and go to the next page and let's see what happens. Here we are. On to the 22nd point, we have another couplet, 2 points. And it says leaves needle-like with 2 or more needles in a cluster. Obviously, you saw my specimen seemingly having many. That fits into the first one, 22nd A. But we must take care that we read the second point as well. That is very important. Leaves needle-like or scale-like occurring singly. Obviously, my specimen belongs to the first one, and in the first, if you go forward, we find go to 23rd. So we go to the 23rd set, or the couplet as we call, leaves with more than 5 in cluster, soft and deciduous. Obviously, this one is a soft specimen, and therefore my specimen seemed to be exactly what you see onto the screen, larynx. But as I said, we must read the second one too. It says leaves in 2 to 5 in cluster. Obviously not, and hence my specimen was not pinus. It was definitely larynx. But if you had not found these characters here for this specimen, I am sure you could have been a discoverer of a new specimen. So this specimen would have been a new one discovered by you had there been no alternative forms or no names of the kind that you found here.